Hi, today we are going to make making words, and you have to use these letters, E-O-D-H-P-P-S.
Let's start off by saying the sounds. Ready? Can you point to it? E, A, O, A, D. So D.
Dog.
We're just going to do the sounds. Ready? The next thing you'll need is some letters. If you don't have letters, you can do magnetic letters. You can do stamps, letter stamps. Then you'll need some paper to write our words down and for our sort. And then we'll be doing then we'll write a sentence later. So let's get started. This is a fast-paced thing, and Drina needs to go really fast for you at home. Yes, ma'am? Here we go. Let's get started. Our first word is 2 letters. He. Could you bring that down, Andrina, so it's separate from those? There we go. He. Write that word he down on your piece of paper. So we need that for the sort. Go quickly. This is fast. Okay. Add 1 letter to he to make she. It has the sh in the beginning. There it is. Sh, e, she. Trina, can you check that with your finger after you write it? For us at home?
E.
She, good.
Sounds like a Y, but it's actually E.
Let's spell another 3-letter word. We're going to start over. Hop. Hop. Rabbits hop. Check it with your finger. Check it with your finger.
Hop.
Okay, write that word down.
Hop. Hop.
Change 1 letter in hop to make pop. It's fun to pop bubbles.
Balloons.
Or balloons, good.
Pop, pop,
Change
pop.
1 letter, Adrina. Okay, check it with your finger for us.
Hop, pop.
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 Write that word down.
P,
Change for our next word, just change the vowel to make pep. Ep. When it is hot outside, Andrina doesn't have much pep in her step. Pep. That means like some energy. Ep. Write that down.
Pep.
Now we're going to do a 4-letter word, and we're going to need that sh again at the beginning. Shed. Shed. Some people keep their bikes in a shed.
If you have one.
Ed. Check that with your finger now. It's good to check it. Now we've got it.
That was weird.
Ed. Write that
It was
down.
supposed to say, shoe, baby. Shoe.
Write that down.
Shoe,
Shed.
baby. Get it, the shoe. The shoe.
Write that down. Keep the sh and add 2 more letters to make shop. Shop. I love to shop. Go ahead, Gina. Up. Keep your sh and change the last 2 letters to make shop. Check it with your finger.
Shop.
Shh. Go slow with that. Let me hear you. Shh. Up.
Shop.
Shop. There it is.
Shop.
We're going to go back to our old word that we made, hop. Can you take that S away there? And at home, take your S away. Now this says hop. But now we're going to add some more letters to make hopped. And And because it has this short sound, the ah, we're going to double the P. So that means to have two P's. And add the ed, hopped. That tricky ed ending sounds like a T today in hopped, but it's still ed. Can you fit it in there?
I can't.
Well, you can make the letters go behind each other a little bit though. Like that P, move it down. There you go. Move the E over. You can put it in front of it and the D. There's hopped. Hopped. Double P. Add and added the ED. Write it down. Hopped. The rabbits hopped down the road. We wouldn't say hopped, we would say hopped.
I know.
The ED says t here.
Word.
Yeah. It's kind of like the word stopped. Okay? The ED sounds like a T. Okay. Add one letter to hopped to make our secret word. I know. We only made 9 words today. That's okay. I didn't like one of them. So add one letter to hopped to make the secret word. Gina, add that one last letter. Where would it go maybe? It wouldn't go underneath. What would that say? So that doesn't make sense. We were working with the sh sound today a lot, weren't we? What if you made the sh in the beginning? Now put the S in front of the H. There we go. So this says shopped. Shopped. That's our secret word. Can you put the H back up there? Shopped.
That's a word.
Oh boy. Okay. Well, everybody, please write the word shopped down. You know how to spell hopped. Look on your last word. You know how to spell hopped. So now when you write shopped, you put the sh there. Write the word shopped. Has the double P. Has the double P's just like hopped. And the ED ending, that sounds like a T. Shopped. Very good. Okay, next we're going to cut out our words, just like Andrina already has. Can you show them all your words cut out? Hold them up so you can see them. And we're going to do a sort. Hello, we're back for our word sort. So first off, we're going to read the words together. Let's get started. Here we go. Shop, pep, shopped. Oh, try that again. Shopped, she, hopped, pop, shed, he, hop. Today we're going to sort our words based on the beginning sound. So use your eyes and your ears to sort these. Ready? Go. And we're done.
Done.
How did you sort them, Andrina?
By the first word.
By the first sound, we have the sh, and p. Great. We only have a couple more times where we're going to do beginning sounds, and then we're not going to be sorting them by beginning sounds. We're going to move on to something more difficult. Next up, grab a word or 2 or 3 if you want to give yourself a good challenge day, and write that word in a sentence. And I hope you don't have to look at that word card. If you have to, you can, but hopefully you don't have to. Gina, tell us your
Hi.
Tell us your sentence.
She will pop the balloon.
What we have at the beginning of your sentence?
First, uppercase
Uppercase.
letter.
And at the end of your sentence?
Period.
Okay, let's see it. She. We know sh. Let me hear. Balloon.
She will pop the balloon.
I notice how you read that sentence again. Nice. We hope you have an awesome sentence. We wish we could see it.
I hope you have a nice time. Bye.